Peppa Pig. This is my little budget George. This is Mommy Pig. Oh, and this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Pedro's cough. It is a school day. Miss Polly had a dolly. Sorry, Madam, this cell. Oh dear, Pedro has a cold. Nothing worry. I ring Dr. Brown Bear. Dr. Brown Bear speaking. Hello, doctor. This is Madam Gazelle. A child is ill. Don't panic. I come straight away. What's this to be the problem? I got a cough. And when did you get this cough? Yes, what way? I don't know, but it's not like this. And when you get this cough? When Mother Gazelle started singing. It's not serious, but Pedro's cough is mere catching. What do you mean, be catching? There's one person have a cough, so the other people get the cough too. Do I need medicine? Just a little spoon before. I'm afraid this day before. It's take a job. It's very joking. Thank you, Dr. Brown Bear. Goodbye. Just a thought. Pedro's cough is me catching. Then the dog enters the chair. Has got better cough too. Open wide. It's take like coffee, favorite sugar. It's take flowers. It's you give your medicine so well. Do you rather get ill, Dr. Brown Bear? Yes, I'm never ill, but I eat an apple of day. Goodbye, bye-bye. And all the parents have arrived to pick them up. Mommy, Daddy, I got a cough. Dr. Brown Bear keeps them to give medicine. He keeps them to give medicine. Madam Gazelle, can you sing your song now? Of course, Peppa. No. Miss Polly had a dolly who's Oh, the grown-ups, of course, Pedro coughs too. Dr. Brown Bear speaking. Hello, this is Miss Peppa Pig. Oh, the grown-ups, don't panic. I'll come straight away. What's this to be the problem? I see, there's medicine. It's take like carpet yogurt. Thank you, Dr. Brown Bear. You like to do. Have your no one looks, Peppa. I eat an apple. Oh dear, Dr. Brown Bear has got better cough too. Goodbye, goodbye. Poor Dr. Brown Bear, he is and no one to look after him. Oh! Who can that be? Hello, we come to look after you. Here's some fruit and some cashews. And here's your medicine. It tastes like carpet favorite yogurt. And here's a song to make you feel better.